Good morning students, 7th class science. We were reading chapter number 10, respiration in organisms. Now we will read our next topic. Our next topic is types of respiration. Types of respiration. There are two types of respiration. First is aerobic respiration and second is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, which is occurring in the presence of oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, like in our body. Which respiration is occurring? Aerobic respiration. In our body, in the presence of oxygen, food or glucose is breakdown into the carbon dioxide, water and energy. This is called the aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. This is occurring in the absence of oxygen. Absence of oxygen. Respiration in the presence of oxygen is termed as aerobic respiration. During aerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized, means glucose will react with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Glucose plus oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and energy is formed. Anaerobic respiration, respiration that takes place in the absence of oxygen absence of air is called anaerobic respiration. This is also called the fermentation. To anaerobic respiration we can also say fermentation. During anaerobic respiration, glucose is converted into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Glucose in the absence of oxygen, it is break down into the ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide plus energy. In yeast, some bacteria or some parasitic flatworm, anaerobic respiration is occurring, means in the absence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration produces more energy than anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, more energy is produced as compared to the anaerobic respiration. In case of animals and humans, anaerobic respiration takes place in the muscles during the physical exercise such as running or exercising. Mainly in our body, aerobic respiration is occurring. But whenever we are doing the physical exercise, then our breath becomes fast. We are taking fast breath. Then in our muscles, anaerobic respiration is occurring, means in the absence of the oxygen, respiration is occurring. Only for short time, when there is a temporary deficiency of oxygen, when there is deficiency of oxygen in our body, then anaerobic respiration is occurring. During such anaerobic respiration, glucose is converted into the lactic acid and energy is given out. Glucose in the absence of oxygen, that is converting into lactic acid plus energy in our body. And in our muscles, lactic acid is accumulated in our muscles, then they are making cramps in the muscles. Cramps means you can say clots type, then they are making cramps in our muscles. Then how we are getting relief from these cramps? Hot water bath and massage gives relief from these cramps. When we are taking hot water bath or when we are doing massage on our muscles, then we are getting relief from these cramps. This is because hot water bath or massage improves the blood circulation. Due to the hot water bath or due to the massage, blood circulation is improved in our body and supply of oxygen is also improved in our body. That's why lactic acid is accumulated, that is breakdown in our body, and we are getting energy. We are getting relief from the cramps. Next is difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, it is occurring in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic in the absence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration, glucose is completely oxidized to form carbon dioxide and water. Here glucose is forming ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide and lactic acid. Occurs in plants and animals. Aerobic respiration is occurring in plants and animals. Anaerobic in yeast, bacteria or parasitic worms. In aerobic respiration, more energy is produced. Here, less energy is produced. Thank you.